Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up TradingView on your PC. First, navigate to the official TradingView website. Look for the desktop application download link, which is usually prominent on the home page. Select the installer compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your designated Downloads folder, ready for the next step. Now let's install the application. Double-click the downloaded file to launch the installer. You'll be guided through a few simple steps. Make sure to read and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. You can choose a custom installation location or simply use the default path provided. The entire process is quite fast, often completing in under 1 minute, preparing your system for the platform. With TradingView installed, it's time to log in. Open the application from your desktop or Start menu. Enter your existing TradingView username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create a new one right there within the application. After logging in, you can begin personalizing your experience, perhaps by selecting a dark or light theme and synchronizing your watch lists. Finally, let's explore the TradingView interface. The central part of the screen is your charting area, where you'll analyze market data. On the left, you'll find drawing tools, and at the top, various indicators. Take some time to add your preferred assets to a watch list for easy monitoring. You can also customize your chart layouts, saving up to 5 different configurations for various analytical approaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.